Commanders, we are less than 3 weeks away until the launch of Command & Conquer Remastered Collection, and I have some incredible news in this video. Red here, and about an hour ago, Jim Vasella updated the Reddit thread on Command & Conquer with some incredible news, that being mod support, but he also gave an update on LAN support, which is not as exciting as the mod support. In addition, I've also got an exciting announcement regarding the mod support of the Command & Conquer collection, but before I continue, did you guys know that this year alone, over 90% of people who viewed my content is not subscribed to my channel? You know, you could change that by clicking the subscribe button, or you can just continue watching my content. I'm fine either way, but just keep in mind that I am giving away 2 copies of the Command & Conquer collection on either Steam or EA Origin, and to win a copy, then simply follow the link in the comment sections below and be a subscriber to my channel. Now onto the video. As I said, Jim Vasella recently updated the Reddit thread about the open source and mod support. It is a bit of a lengthy post, so I do want to run through it and then talk about it afterwards, and then I will talk about the announcement regarding mod support and my channel. The post goes as follows, quote, "Fellow Command & Conquer fans, since the announcement of the Remastered Collection, one of the top questions from the community has been if the game would provide mod support. Given the incredible Command & Conquer community projects over the past 2 decades, we appreciated how important this was going to be for the Remastered Collection. It is time to finally answer the question around mod support, but it first requires the level of special surprise for the community. Today we are proud to announce that alongside the launch of the Remastered Collection, Electronic Arts will be releasing the Tiberian Dawn.dll and RedAlert.dll and their corresponding source code under the GPL version 3.0 license. This is a key moment for Electronic Arts, the Command & Conquer community, and the gaming industry, as we believe this will be one of the first major RTS franchises to open source their source code under the GPL. It's worth noting this initiative is the direct result of collaboration between some of the community council members and our teams at EA. After discussing with the council members, we made the decision to go with the GPL license to ensure compatibility with projects like CNCNet and OpenRA. Our goal was to deliver the source code in a way that would be truly beneficial for the community, and we hope this will enable amazing community projects for years to come. So what does this mean for the mod support within the Remastered Collection? Along with the inclusion of a new map editor, these open source DLLs should assist users to design maps, create custom units, replace art, alter gameplay logic, and edit data. The Community Council has already been playing with the source code and are posting some fun experiments in our Discord channel. But to showcase a tangible example of what you can do with the software, Petroglyph has actually created a new modded unit to play with. So we asked a fun question: what would the Brotherhood of Nod do if they captured the Mammoth tank? Well, one guess is they'd replace the turret with a giant artillery cannon and have it fire tactical nukes. Thus, the NUKE tank was born. This is a unit which is fully playable in the game via a mod, seen in the screenshot above, and we hope to have it ready to play and serve as a learning example when the game launches. Alongside mod support, I wanted to be transparent and address a feature which many of you have also been passionate about, which is LAN play. Earlier this year, we had every intention of including LAN play in the launch version of the game, but sadly this feature did not make it in time. Unfortunately, LAN play became the key impact of the COVID-19 situation, as we realized the challenge of testing a local area network feature in a workplace time of social distancing. We understand this feature is vital as both an avenue to play mods in multiplayer and also to serve as a backup in case the online system is ever down. We're bummed this one got away, and will continue to keep this on our priority list going forward. Now, in terms of discovering user content, we wanted to take full advantage of the PC platforms to streamline this process. For Steam players, we're utilizing the Steam Workshop for sharing both maps and mods. Players can subscribe to maps and mods directly in the game's community hub within Steam, or utilize in-game menus to browse, download content as well. Origin players can use the same in-game process for downloading maps, but will need to manually install mods into their respective folders outside of the game. For both versions, once you're in the game, you may navigate to the Options Mods tab where you can then activate the mod. We're aiming to put together further documentation on uploading content and the entire UGC process around the launch window. Overall, we are incredibly excited to see what the community creates over the coming months. We anticipate some fantastic content for the remastered collection itself, some great updates in the current community projects as they incorporate the source code, and perhaps we'll even see some new RTS projects now made possible with the source code under the GPL. One final note we want to emphasize: we've done our best to bug fix and prepare these UGC systems for launch, but we have no doubt that once thousands of you begin creating and sharing content, some quirks will be discovered. Please continue to share your experience once the game launches and let us know how we can continue to improve these tools for your benefit. We look forward to seeing all of you on the battlefield in less than 3 weeks, and in the meantime, please stay healthy, safe, and thanks for all your support and feedback. Cheers, Jim Vasella." End quote. Now, as I said, it was quite a lengthy post and there's a lot to digest, and I'm going to start with the negative or the unfortunate aspect of the post, that being LAN support not being a feature at launch. Now, of course, due to COVID-19 and the pandemic that's around the world, this is understandable, so I'm not blaming EA or Jim Vasella or Petroglyph on this. It's understandable. It is really an understandable thing, and the fact that it is something they did tinker with and it is something they do want, I do feel that in future updates, maybe in a couple of months, maybe towards the end of the year, in an update we may see LAN support coming to the Command & Conquer Remastered collection. Now, as for the mod support, as all of you commanders know, I'm a huge fan of mods, especially when it comes to Command & Conquer. I've played quite a few mods over the past couple of months simply because I love the creativity when it comes to mod. When a developer gives you the tools and say, you know, here's the freedom to do what you want, show me what you can do. I absolutely love that creativity, and as an animator and a creator myself, I've tinkered with mods before in different games. Nothing too groundbreaking or nothing too extreme as stuff I've played with myself, but I have some experience with mods, so it's going to be interesting to see what I can come up with when I use their tools and mess around with the development myself. As for the announcement that I was speaking about regarding my channel, of course I will bring you guys a video on how you install mods if you are not using the game or playing the game on Steam, because if you play the game on EA Origin, you have to manually download and install the mods. It might be tricky to some folks, but I'm definitely going to have a tutorial video which you can easily follow. And as with some of my previous videos on other games, I'm definitely going to have my top weekly mod videos, starting with the week the game launches. In addition, I will most likely do daily mod videos on Command & Conquer Remastered Collection, and if any of you commanders are modders and would like to showcase your content to me once the game launches, then just be sure to follow me on Twitter at RedTieGuy, or drop a link to that mod in the videos in the future and I will check them out for myself. Now, I already said that I'm gonna give away 2 copies of Command & Conquer Remastered Collection when it launches, but additionally, one extra thing that I'm gonna do is every month I will list my top 5 or maybe top 10 mods of that specific month, and I will be giving away a prize to the top 3. Now, it will most likely not be a game or something, it will most likely be something along the lines of a Steam gift card, but regardless, the top 3 mod makers of that specific month will win something from me just to show a token of appreciation for the effort they've put in the creation. And finally, the screenshot that they mentioned is this one right here, which gives us an even better indication of what the remastered collection will look like, where you can clearly see the tab on the right side which shows the light tank, nod buggy, harvester, artillery, recon bike, stealth tank, rocket launcher, APC, flame tank, MCV, and then NUKE tank, and you can see there the blue NUKE tank blowing up the GDI base, and just seeing this brings a smile to my face because I can only imagine what creative and ridiculous things the mod community will come up with. And this alone will extend the community and the life of the Command & Conquer franchise by months if not years to come, hopefully until we see a proper next generation Command & Conquer game. But if this video brought you any excitement for the Command & Conquer Remastered collection, then why not click that subscribe button? And let me know in the comment sections below what mod you would like to see from this game. If you enjoyed this video, then give me a thumbs up. If you dislike it, then give me a thumbs down, but please tell me why so I can improve my videos. My name is Frank, I'm the RedTieGuy, and frankly, thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.